We got a dowel jig to drill holes for dowels. So this we usually use for countertops, doors, and as in a cabinet shop, you can never have too many tools. So they always come handy to go to the job site. It's a one hole thing because it's really easy to use. It comes with a template that you close and open like this. This is gonna go in here. We're gonna set it up for you guys.
So what are you doing now?
Right now we're putting it together so this goes like this.
Okay, so it grabs onto the bottom.
Mm-hmm. And so this one, you're supposed to center. So this is a manual one. Once you adjust this to your piece of lumber, whatever thickness, this is manually, remember? So you gotta kind of center it or move it up or down, whichever way you want. Slides up and down.
Now, one important thing that we need to notice, it goes in between the cabinet. So that's where you lock it in place. Between the cabinet where you want to make the dolls. That's what you have to do. So that's what you kind of measure it and then you center it. So first you clamp off your cabinet first and then you clamp this part.
So for using plywood, it doesn't damage your wood, basically. So this is a color, figuring out your adjustment on your wood.
The depth.
Yes, your depth. So as you see, you're ready to drill your holes for your dowels. This is to glue countertops or to do doors. It comes really handy. It's small, really easy to take to a job site.